Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of motorcycles. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 7 new Japanese motorcycles that are set to hit the market in 2023. Number 7. Yamaha Tracer 9 GT. The Yamaha Tracer 9 GT is not just any sport touring motorcycle. It's a marvel of engineering that combines power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology in one sleek package. This motorcycle has been recently overhauled by Yamaha, incorporating the latest advancements in motorcycle technology to create an unparalleled riding experience. At the heart of the Tracer 9 GT lies an 890 kicks inline-3 engine that generates a jaw-dropping 104 horsepower and 62 pound-feet of torque. This engine is the result of several generations of development and refinement, and the Tracer 9 GT is the perfect platform to showcase its capabilities. One of the standout features of the Tracer 9 GT is its full LED lighting system, which includes lean-angle sensitive cornering lights that illuminate the road ahead, even when taking tight corners at night. The bike also comes with removable hard case luggage that makes it perfect for long trips, while the cruise control function and adaptive cruise control ensure that riders stay comfortable even on extended journeys. Overall, the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT is the perfect machine for riders who want a versatile, comfortable, and powerful motorcycle that can handle any road condition. Number 6. Suzuki V-Strom 800DE. The Suzuki V-Strom 800 is a true adventurer's dream come true. It combines an all-new 776-seat parallel twin engine with a long-travel, fully adjustable suspension that provides the most ground clearance of any V-Strom model. The V-Strom 800 comes standard with quick-release 37 lighter aluminum panniers, which provide ample storage for all your gear. Additionally, the bike is equipped with adventure-focused hardware, such as a skid plate and engine guards, which protect the bike's vulnerable parts from rocks, debris, and other hazards you may encounter on the road. The bike's impressive spec level includes adjustable compression and rebound damping force shock absorbers that can be tuned to match the conditions or rider preference. The body graphics have also been modernized to give the bike a modern, aggressive look. Overall, the Suzuki V-Strom 800 is a versatile and capable machine that can handle any adventure you throw its way. Number 5. Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. If you're searching for a motorcycle that offers the perfect blend of power and comfort, then the Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX is the bike for you. This motorcycle combines the thrilling performance of a supersport motorcycle with the relaxed feel of an upright sport motorcycle, making it a refined sport touring bike that truly has the best of both worlds. At the heart of the Ninja 1000 SX is a mighty 1040 liquid-cooled, 4-stroke inline 4-cylinder engine that delivers smooth and natural engine response, giving riders the ideal engine output. The bike also features advanced technologies like the Kawasaki Traction Control and Kawasaki Intelligent Anti-Lock Braking System that provide high-precision, multi-sensing ABS brake assistance, making this bike not just powerful, but also incredibly safe. One of the standout features of the Ninja is the Kawasaki Quick Shifter, KQS, that allows for easy up and down shifting, giving riders greater control and an even more thrilling ride. In conclusion, the Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX is a motorcycle that is perfect for those who want to experience the best of both worlds, the power of a supersport motorcycle and the comfort of an upright sport motorcycle. Number 4. Honda XL 750 Transalp. The Honda XL 750 Transalp is not just any motorcycle. It's a true work of art that is sure to leave a lasting impression on anyone who lays eyes on it. With its bold and modern design, this motorcycle exudes power and elegance in equal measure. At the heart of the Transalp lies a formidable 8-valve, parallel twin-cylinder engine that delivers an incredible 67 horsepower and 75 Nm of power. But what truly sets this motorcycle apart is its innovative throttle-by-wire technology. With 4 default riding modes, Sport, Standard, Rain, and Gravel, plus a user option, Riders can easily customize their riding experience to suit their individual preferences. The Transalp also boasts a state-of-the-art 5-inch TFT color display that provides vivid information delivery and management of all systems. But the Transalp isn't just about performance. It's also incredibly versatile. With dual 2-piston calipers providing efficient stopping power, this motorcycle is equally at home on or off-road. All in all, the Honda XL 750 Transalp is a true masterpiece of engineering and design. Number 3. Yamaha Niken GT. The Yamaha Niken GT is not your ordinary motorcycle. Its unique 3-wheeled design offers a level of stability and control that is unmatched by traditional 2-wheeled motorcycles, making it a true game-changer in the world of motorcycling. But the Niken GT is not just about stability and control. It's also about power and performance. The bike is powered by Yamaha's recently overhauled 890 kicks inline 3 engine, which provides plenty of power for both city and highway riding. The Niken GT is also equipped with a range of electronic rider aids that make it even more impressive. These include Kawasaki Traction Control, Kawasaki Intelligent Anti-Lock Brake System, Power Mode, and Kawasaki Quick Shifter. These advanced features help to ensure a smooth and safe ride, no matter where your adventure takes you. The Niken GT is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It's a bike that is sure to turn heads and start conversations wherever it goes. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of motorcycles, the Niken GT is a bike that is sure to impress. Number 2. Suzuki Katana. The Suzuki Katana is not just a motorcycle, it is a work of art that embodies the spirit of Japanese craftsmanship and design. Its sleek and sharp lines create a sense of dynamic motion, even when standing still. The Katana's design was originally inspired by the ancient Japanese sword of the same name, which was traditionally carried by samurai warriors as a symbol of their status and power. With its powerful engine and advanced technology, the Katana is designed to give riders a thrilling and immersive experience on the road. The fuel-injected 999 GSX-R-based engine delivers smooth and responsive power, with a throttle control mechanism that allows for precise control and handling. The Katana's lightweight and rigid twin-spar aluminum mainframe and superbike-style braced aluminum swing arm provide superior handling and stability, allowing riders to tackle any corner with confidence. The Suzuki Clutch Assist system also ensures smooth gear shifting and engine response, even during aggressive acceleration or cornering. Every detail of the Suzuki Katana has been carefully crafted to ensure that it delivers a unique and exhilarating riding experience. From the sculpted under-chassis muffler to the iconic styling inspired by the samurai sword, the Katana is destined to create a new legend in the world of motorcycles. Number 1. Kawasaki Versys 1000. Get ready to take on the open road with the Kawasaki Versys 1000, the ultimate motorcycle designed for adventure and versatility. With a 1043cc engine, this bike is a force to be reckoned with, capable of producing a maximum peak output power of 120 HP and a maximum torque of 102 Nm. It boasts a twin-tube aluminum chassis with spring preload adjustability, allowing you to ride with ease and comfort. The motorcycle also boasts bright and white lighting via twin LED headlamps and LED taillight and license plate lighting, ensuring optimal visibility even in low-light conditions. The electronic cruise control feature allows you to set a desired speed with just the press of a button, enabling relaxed cruising and enhanced riding comfort. The Kawasaki Versys 1000 is a nimble and agile motorcycle that is ready to take on any road, anytime. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rugged terrain, this bike is the perfect choice for those who seek adventure and versatility on the open road. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.